Namaste. I'm Rosalie, and this is a short, guided morning meditation. Settle into a comfortable shape and close your eyes. Now take a big inhale. Exhale with a sigh. With every exhale, allow any tension to drain from the body, softening your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, and your shoulders, your whole body, softening, letting go. Now bring your awareness to the crown of your head and visualize a golden white light showering down and flowing through the crown of your head, through your whole body. And might you imagine this golden white light filling up every cell in every part of your body. The whole of you filling up with golden white light. Now start to radiate this light outwards. Might you imagine every inhale filling up with light, every exhale radiating light all around you, surrounding yourself in a big bubble of golden white light. Now silently whisper to yourself, I am pure, positive energy and light. I am pure, positive energy and light. And now take a big inhale. Let it all go. Feeling full of pure, positive energy and light, and ready for whatever lies ahead. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie, and I release a new video every week. And I absolutely love sharing this time with you. So if you enjoyed this meditation, I'd be grateful if you consider subscribing to my channel. And please come back to this practice whenever you want to set yourself up for a great day ahead. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.